Hi! In front of me is OPPO Find X2 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can add a password to Google Passwords Manager. You need to begin by opening Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Google section. Then tap on Autofill, Autofill with Google, continue in the pop-up, and then Google Password Manager. As you can see, Password Manager is over here. Now you can add any password by tapping on this plus next to Search Passwords. If you can't see any of those options, that means that you never added a password before. To fix it, tap on the gear next to Password Manager. Make sure that Offer to Save Passwords option is enabled. Log in to any apps and tap on Save in Autofill pop-up. Then your password will appear here, and you will be able to add any other one from those settings. So now when I tap on the plus, I can finally select an app by clicking on it, or enter website data, input username or email, password, and even some helpful notes. When you're finished, hit save at the top right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, my password was successfully added to Google Passwords Manager. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!